AI is moving faster than anything we've seen before. It's no longer just in research labs or Silicon Valley startups. From electronics manufacturing, nature exploration, smart home, specialty coffee, retail, healthcare, and every part of your everyday life. If we miss this wave, we risk being left behind. In our previous AI Kickstarter project, we received overwhelming support and incredible feedback, which inspired us to go one step further, to build a complete, one-stop AI learning kit. This time, we want everyone to become an active participant in the AI era. With our kit, you can train your own AI models and even bring them to life in real-world projects. We'll show you how to build an AI-powered classification system that is capable of classifying waste and calculating its carbon emissions in real time. Step by step, you'll see how AI can go beyond theory and actually help solve global challenges.
I'm a high school teacher, and recently my students have been asking me questions about AI. They're curious, they want to know how it works and how they can try it. But the truth is, I don't have the right tools or materials to teach them. Most of the resources out there are either too complicated or designed for people with a strong coding background. I really wish I had a way to guide my students step by step without making them feel overwhelmed.
The entire journey takes 40 hours. Within a week, you can transform from a complete beginner into someone who has entranced the world of computer vision without heavy code, complex setup, or costly graphics cards.
I've been working as an electronics technician for many years. I can solder, I can troubleshoot circuits, but when it comes to AI, I honestly don't know where to start. Every time I read about it, they say you need Python, you need a good graphics card, you need to set up everything. And that's just overwhelming for me. I want to know how AI can help with my work, but without guidance, it feels almost impossible to even take the first step.
Our textbook will also guide you in creating your own DIY AI projects, ready to apply across various professional fields. To spark your imagination, we've prepared 7 additional, fully tested applications. Each project proves the possibilities. Your idea could be the 8th breakthrough. Compared to traditional AI learning, we've innovated to remove the barriers. First of all, transfer learning. No expensive devices required. Your regular laptop delivers professional performance. Prompt-driven coding with Cursor AI guides you automatically through complex code. On top of that, we provide cross-platform support. It just works. Finally, new hardware modules, so your AI projects don't stay trapped on your screen, but actually show up in real life. Furthermore, we provide video tutorials with step-by-step practice. Our vibrant Discord community can answer your questions in real time, and continuous updates to keep you aligned with the cutting edge of AI. Join us now, and in just 40 hours, you'll be an AI creator. Let's embrace the most transformative technology of our time and put the power of intelligence into your own hands.